you doing? Hi.
Mommy?
Well, no, let's not play with it. I want to get a video of you playing. Look. Look. What do you think? Wow.
Mommy?
Come on over here, buddy. What's this? Here's your ball. Ball. Wow. What's that? What's that? Pretty. Did your mama do that? Did you do this by yourself? Show me. Wow, that's pretty. That's the TV. That's the TV. You turned it off. Thank you. No, that's not an uh-oh. Let's not do it again. Let's not do it again. Let's leave the TV alone, okay? I'm going to stand in front of it so you can't get to it. Come on over here. Let's show everybody where you play. Jake, come over here. Here's where you play. Here's where you play. Come over here and sit down. Let's play. Come here, buddy. Wow. Look. Look at all the toys. Look at all the toys. And the cooking utensil. There's a snake and a car. Car that your bubby got you?
See?
Yeah.
Let's
Let's play. Wow. Wow, look at this. Oh, bless you. A horse? A horse? Yeah. Some great toys, man. A big ball. See the ball? Yeah, it's a ball. Uh-oh, what? Where'd you get that from? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, okay. Yeah, we don't need that. There's some hay. There's an elephant. You're welcome. There you go. See, Spasiba. 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 You got a runny nose, man. Doesn't look like outside. We're going to go outside and play. Let's see what it looks like. Bye-bye? Did you say bye-bye? Huh. Looks nice out there, relatively speaking. Say hi. Hi.